Hi everybody, this is Tammy with Diamond Dots. Well, today I'm not doing Diamond Dots. I've been doing this new thing. It's not really new. I've just been working on my latch hook. And I don't know if I can get it where you can see it. This computer, I'm not using my phone tonight. So anyways, this is the pattern I'm doing. Yeah, and it's going to be a reindeer. So, yes it is. And then, let me see if I can't flip this over so you can see a little bit. It's going to be big. So, there it is. That's how big it is. So yeah, I got it from Craftways a long time ago. It's been 3 years or so, and I'm just now starting to do it. So I don't even know if they have it anymore. But anyways, I just want to know, how's everybody doing? Sorry I haven't done this in a while. Things over here has been crazy as crazy could be. Oh my gosh. Have you ever had any of those in-laws that you don't really want to come visit, but they all insist on coming to visit? So yeah, and I have one of those. And she came and visited. Our dog had puppies. We had 10 puppies. We're down to the 3 that was going to keep. I have one Wolfie's asleep. I'd show him to you. He fell out over here, so I'll let him sleep for a little while. And anyways, she came, got her puppy. Well, supposed to come and got her puppy and everything, and then she took another dog. She took Chloe, and make a long story short, she went into the hospital for a little bit. Then she got out of the hospital. They were on their way home. She had car trouble, and she had called somebody else to come help get them. And anyways, it was a mess. I was so ready for them to go. Oh my goodness. It's almost like, as soon as they get here, it's ready to go. And I don't like being that way, but it's just the way it is sometimes, So, yeah, and it's been really crazy around here. My depression's been real bad lately, so I just really hadn't been wanting to do anything. Sorry, I'm moving. Ooh, sorry, I just kicked the thing. So, that's been going on too. My depression's been really bad. And things haven't been working out the way that I really need them to work out, so it's okay too. And so that's been all going on. And I love this. Oh, sorry. There's the green. This is the Kelly green that I'm using. And then this is, of course, the white. White is white. And then the gold. See the gold. Yeah. And so that's been going on. So I just haven't been streaming for a while, and I need to get into it. I was doing it for a while and then I quit, and that's not good, especially if you're trying to get a channel going, because YouTube looks at all that, do you stream all the time or you don't stream all the time? And I'm trying to get my numbers up, and my numbers haven't been all that great, or my views, or I'm not sure if it's the views or the numbers. I'm not sure how all that works. But anyways, I haven't got all that up yet, so to get my own channel, to get the channel going. I have my own channel, but to be able to, you know, bring it up on YouTube. So that's what I'm trying to get done with. So anyways, this is, have you ever heard of cornflower? I mean cornflower, but yeah, you've heard of that. But this is the color cornflower. That's the light cornflower. And then this is the dark cornflower. Isn't that pretty? And then this is the dark blue I'm using. Dark navy, that's what they call it. And then, of course, I have other colors. I put them all in these plastic baggies because it just makes it easier. I have the red. I haven't got there yet. I'm not using the red yet. And then the yellow. Isn't that beautiful? These are some pretty color yarn. And look how much white I have. That is amazing. That is like a lot of white. Is it not? Yeah. But anyways, that's what's all been happening here in Tech. I don't know if I ever told y'all I'm from Lubbock, Texas, but I am from Lubbock, Texas. It's Lubbock, Texas. Yes. That's starting to get hot. Really hot. And I'm wanting to move. It's going to sound weird to some of y'all, but I've been looking into maybe moving to Ruidoso or Red River, New Mexico, but man, it's so hard because, you know, they're so small and they don't have a whole lot, which I like because I like small cities, and Lubbock's getting to be really big. It's starting to get too big for my liking, and the cost of living, now this is what YouTube says, is that it's supposed to be cheaper, but I've been hearing it's higher, but I really don't know. Some of the rent up there is cheaper than what it is here. So, and they don't have some of the taxes that we have, and that I'm gathering. But if anybody knows anything, you know, you can always give me a link to it. You know, give me your thoughts about it all. I appreciate that. And it's just been, I've been trying to get some stuff going, and again, it's just like, it's hard. It's hard to get things that you need to get done. So, and it's just been one thing. It's just seemed like it's been one thing after another. It's just going on. And school's almost out. My grandson's almost out of school. And can't believe that that's almost happening. Which I can't. I'm going to be watching him for the summertime, which I'm excited about. Real excited about. So that's going to be fun. I'm trying to come up with some ideas of what to do during the summer. If y'all have any ideas, let me know. I'd like to know y'all's ideas too. So, hold on, I've got to change colors here. I got to figure out what color I got to change here. And it's one of those things, you know, you have to constantly, these latch hooks, you've got to constantly count, and the lines, I get so confused sometimes when I'm having to count them. So let's see, I think I've already marked. No, I didn't mark it. Okay, so I'm gonna mark it real fast. I mark things all the time, so yeah, I do, because it just makes it a whole lot easier for me. So that's gonna be the last one right there. That's the next color. So I don't just diamond paint. I do all kinds of other stuff. I latch hook. I try to crochet, but my crocheting's not the best, so I don't really do that much. I've been trying to do a blanket, but it's not working out real good, so I kind of quit doing that. And trying to see here. Make sure I'm on the right line, because sometimes I mess up the lines. So I don't want to mess up the lines either. So you know how that goes. And if you hear the door slamming, sorry. It's just people going in and out the door constantly. So that's how that goes. But yeah, I'm trying to think, maybe getting into some ceramics or something. I'm not sure, but like I said, I'm not affiliated with anybody. I'm just crocheting. I'm just doing this latch hook because I like to do latch hooks sometimes, and it's really hard to get affiliated with somebody, especially when you're starting your channel, because they want you to have a lot of views, and I guess I'm just not getting a lot of views. I don't know what I need to do to get those views, except for doing the stuff that I'm doing with YouTube, and I'm not sure what YouTube likes and don't like. So if anybody has any comments about that, let me know too. I'd like to know, because I'd really like to get out there and get something going with them too. And you know, it's just, when you're dealing with the government, you got so much paperwork, so much to do, so much of this, so much of red tape. It's like, oh my God, I'm getting so tired of it. You know, why don't they see what a person's going through, and they need to go ahead and give them what they need. But you know, I guess so many people have used a system that they just make it harder for people. So it's okay too. And I went to the doctor, and they said that I'm bipolar, so I've been taking some bipolar medicine. I'm not sure if it's working. Seems like lately I've just been not doing real good. Depression it's getting harder and harder. the depression is just getting more and more and more. And I don't think that's supposed to be good going on. So, I don't know. And I'm sorry. I'm trying to look at this and trying to talk to y'all at the same time, and sometimes it's hard. But I want to know what y'all, how everybody else has been. If y'all can leave me some comments, I appreciate it. And subscribe at the same time. Subscribe, and if you like it, like it. If you don't, that's fine. Give me some comments. I like to have comments. I may not see them right away, but eventually I will. Sometimes my computer, my internet, it kicks off and on, and I'm not sure why. And it takes a, but I will say the comments. Especially if planes come by, and I thought they'd taken care of that. Planes come by, it shouldn't be taking you off of the internet like it does, but it does. Everything buffers and buffers and buffers some more. So I've got AT&T. I don't know if that's why. I don't know if there's. I know there's faster. I don't know if we need to get faster or what, but we need something. I think we need something better. So, but I had to take a break from diamond painting for a little bit. It was just getting. I have a lot of whips to do, but I just have. I think I was getting kind of burned out. I was doing this one, and it was the biggest one I ever done, and it took a toll on me. It was a mystery one, a Diamond Art Club. I liked it. I like it. Don't get me wrong. I really like it. It's just that it was so big. So big. And so much. And I also, I'm not into color blocking so much. I like the confetti, and I guess it's just that it started just getting so much color blocking that it was just like, oh, it's getting so boring. And I was like, I gotta take a break. I have to take a break from it. So that's what I did. I'm taking a break from it. And nothing's wrong with that, because I will get it done. Just may not get it done right away, but I'll get it done. So, but, well, I need coffee. I have a colored coffee. I'm sorry. I didn't show y'all the. Where'd my coffee go? Oh, it's over here. Yeah. See, that's the coffee. It's brown. Instead of calling it dark brown, they call it coffee. So, I'll show you the coffee. See? Coffee. So, that's what's been happening here. What's been happening with you? I'd like to know. And I was supposed to be getting on with Wanda work basket with her Bible study on Fridays, but something always seems to come up on that before I could do it. So I really miss that fellow. I really miss having the fellowship like that, you know. So hopefully this Friday I can be able to do it. I've been wanting to do it. Just haven't been able to do it. So something seems to come up all the time, or I forget. It's probably that I just forget a lot. I need to set a timer. Tell Alexis to set a timer for me. So because that helps me too. Like I said, I'm sorry. I'm getting confused here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I need to be on that part of the line, not this part of the line. I put one too many. I do that all the time. I'm always taking in, taking out. At least if you can take them off if you need to. So, yeah. Wolfie's snoring over here. So if you hear a dog snoring, it's going to be Wolfie. He's just a puppy. He's like 7 to 8 months. So he's a puppy still. You gotta get him in. I missed his first shots, so I don't know if they're gonna give him how they will start with the shots. But I gotta get him in and get his shots, and I'm gonna get him neutered and all that fun stuff. So he'll be all right. There's all the puppy stuff that you gotta do. Dang, that door. Okay, so I need 3. I mark it so it's a little bit easier for me too. It might take a little bit more time, but at least that way I kind of know what I'm doing. I like the little hook. You just hook the yarn around the latch and bring it down, and it's easy. And they have printed ones too. The printed ones are pretty good. They're easy. They're easier than having to sit here and count them. It usually tells you what to do, how to do it. It has the colors on there. It has the picture on there. You just follow the picture. This one you're making the picture. Sorry, I keep moving. And so now I need another color. That's the thing. See, this is what I like about this. And changing colors. I'm not doing the same color over and over and over again. And I do like that. That's going to be a Kelly green. Yeah, this light green, they call it Kelly green. Never really heard of Kelly green before, but it works for me. I like it. It's kind of a yellowish green type. Well, it's not really yellowish, it's just a really light green. So, I used to do these all the time, make pillows, and I just stopped doing them. Maybe it's time for me to go back to doing them a little bit. So, okay, so it's gonna go. I keep losing my rolls. That's part of the problem. Is I lose the rolls, and when I do that, it messes everything up. I have tore this thing apart 4 or 5 times. I said I'm not going to do it anymore. So, dark column. Dark cornflower. I need dark cornflowers. I'm going to get the dark cornflower. I'll show y'all the dark cornflower. Yeah, that's the dark cornflower, I think. Make sure. Yep, that's the dark.